Hey, I'm going to walk you through how to do day 2 one-step equations. There's 3 different sections to this one where you have to get at least 5 correct. So here's how we're going to do this. I want to get the letter B by itself, and I see that there's a -9 attached to it. So the opposite of -9 would be +9. So you know what to do because this is literally called add or subtract. So the opposite of -9 would be +9. So in my calculator, I want to do 10 plus 9 gives me 19. I type that in. Okay, and it shows you the steps here. Unfortunately, Delta Math doesn't let you draw on the screen, but you can have scrap paper on your own. But you can see I did +9 on both sides. The 9's canceled. And on the left side, I had 19. Let's do another one. Here I have -7 plus a equals 6. I want to get a by itself. It's attached to a -7. The opposite of -7 is +7. It's the same thing as the opposite of -7 is +7. So I'm going to add 7 on both sides, which leaves me with, oops, in my calculator, 6 plus 7. I get 13. Okay, and it shows you that I had to do +7 on both sides. So I'm going to show you a different one. Okay, we are also doing one-step equations with multiplication. I have 36 equals 9t. I want to get t by itself. It's next to 9. In between 9 and t, there's multiplication. So the opposite of multiplying by 9 would be dividing by 9. So the only way to get rid of that 9 is to divide by 9 on both sides. So I do 36 divided by 9. I get 4. And it'll show you the steps with the green check. See, I did divide by 9 on both sides. The 9's canceled. And I get 4 equals t. Let's do another one. We have -7a equals -14. I don't touch -14 for now. It's by itself minding its own business. I do want to get rid of that -7 though. Now -7 is being multiplied by a. That's what's secretly in between the -7 and the a. The opposite of multiplying by -7 is dividing by -7. So I want to divide both sides by -7. That includes -14. Divided by -7. I get 2. Submit. Okay. And this will show the steps. Okay. Let's do the last type, which was division. So if the opposite of multiplying is dividing, the opposite of dividing is multiplying. I have w divided by 9 equals -5. I need to get rid of that -9. The only way to get rid of dividing by -9 is to multiply by -9. So I'm going to divide both sides. Sorry, I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. So I do -5 times 9. I get -45. And it shows that I multiplied. That's what the parentheses mean. Multiply both sides by 9. The 9's cancel out on the right to be 1, which we don't need to put. On the left side, you would have -45. Let's do one more. I have 3 equals s divided by -6. The opposite of dividing by -6 is multiplying by -6. So I multiply both sides. Use my calculator, both sides by -6. 3 times -6 is -18. Submit. And there's my steps. So you need to get 5 correct from each section. It'll tell you on the top how many you have correct. You get 3 attempts for each one. Let me know if you have any questions on these.